Stop this smoke. Another plate.
Well, it's amazing what we think of to get UTS in the news, don't we? They're going to get interviewed, and I bet they're going to talk about Frank.
Whoa!
That really does look like it's going to burn through the floor.
Oh, it's still down in the bloody...
Shit.
Still down there.
Is someone in there, is it?
Yeah.
No, they left earlier.
Climbing up now. At the bottom, look.
Serious?
Oh, yeah.
Jeez.
Really?
Ridiculous. Okay, the brigade's going up.
There's two of them.
Still 3 or 4 of them there now.
Oh yeah.
They're crazy. I expect they're going to put that out.
No idea.
Sing happy birthday together.
Maybe Christmas not going to fall down, but...
No, the floor might fall in there. They've got all the George Street blocked off, all the broadways all blocked off.
It must be burning petrol or something.
Black, yeah. Could be rubber.
Yeah. What's up there that would be rubber?
Hydraulics and
oh, or the lubricant and all that sort of stuff.
Oh, good.
that's a lot. The bottom's going to fall out of that.
Well, that's the other be doing any more of that, gee. This year, it's taken another day to get a cleaner.
There's nobody standing under there like this bloke down here.
Well, this guy's going up the middle there. Yeah. Oh, way up here. Yeah, we need something on this there.
Yeah, that's right. This is the ultimate derivative, isn't it?
Yep.
That's just no one in their box at the back.
No, they got out apparently ages ago.
Oh, good.
Right up there.
Listen.
Seems to be quieting down a bit.
They're only going up halfway.
Yeah.
Well,
You want to get past the bucket of water up.
It's just halfway too far.
He's got a fire
He's got a fire extinguisher.
Oh,
Oh, jeez.
Can they not clean it?
Maybe they can't from the bottom. I don't know.
Yeah, but it's
They wouldn't want to move it, would they?
Is that the fire engine we can hear? It's taking their time to get here.
There's fuel for my face.
Oh my goodness.
Shit.
Oh.
Jeez.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
You get that?
Those 4 guys that are there. Oh my goodness.
Were there people on that roof?
Not that roof,
Oh.
Oh, that's a disaster.
What roof is that?
That's a new building.
That is the new
That's a
one,
lift.
okay.
That's a lift one.
Gee,
Wow.
those guys who are under there, they'll be going for a beer now.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Look,
Can't you get that
look,
up?
look down at the toilet.
Look, jeez. What's that guy doing?
Yeah.
It's going down the stairs.
Why wouldn't we go underneath it?
I like this.
That's the only way out, isn't it? Down those stairs.
Yeah.
You want it?
Here comes
Go
a fire.
straight under there still, huh?
Here comes a fire engine now. No?
This guy's got out of that bloody ladder pretty quick there, didn't they?
They're down now.
Yeah, they're on there now.
I suppose we'll get them on the
I reckon that whole thing's going to come
Sure,
down.
you sure want to
The
see this?
floor will fall out of it.
That whole thing will fall off. We need to evacuate that whole area out there.
Yeah.
The street.
Okay.
Those guys need to get out of there.